नमस्कार, मैं अमित तिवारी, भाजपा युवा मोर्चा और सचिव और अध्यक्ष साथी यूथ फाउंडेशन की तरफ से प्रबोध वसंत डावकरे साहब को उनके जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। प्रबोध साहब के बारे में बोलने के लिए मेरे पास शब्द ही नहीं है, क्योंकि उनका ऐसा है कि नाम ही काफ़ी है। एक तरफ उनका फ़ोन और सामने जहाँ भी बोलते प्रबोध डावकरे जी और काम हो जाता है। कितने ही ज़रूरतमंद लोगों की उन्होंने हेल्प की है। हम जैसे लोगों को एज ए बैकबोन, एज ए किंग मेकर वो खड़े हुए हैं। हर जगह उन्होंने स्टैंड लिया है। तो मैं ज़्यादा बोल ही नहीं सकता, छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात हो जाएगी। तो मेरी फैमिली की तरफ से, मेरी टीम की तरफ से, हम सब की तरफ से साहब को बहुत शुभकामनाएं। विश यू मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे सर। नमस्कार।
Prabodh, my brother, you are amongst the rare people who are so passionate about their business, so loving as a family man, so successful, and yet so humble about it. I have seen your work during these difficult times. I've seen you carry everyone with you. I've seen you reach out to the migrants, to the not so fortunate, and I have also seen you take the leadership of the industry. You are a true leader indeed. On this joyous occasion, myself and the entire team at Precor and TIFC wish you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed, stay amazing. God bless you, brother.
Hello Prabhuji, wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope you have a great day. I know it will be indoors, but with family, I'm sure it will be a wonderful day. Have a great year ahead. I've known you for I think now over 13 years. When I met you first in 2007, it was a phone call. On the phone call, you sounded much older. But when I met you for the first time at your Thane gym, I was really amazed that someone so young is running some very successful gym. Thereafter, we had few meetings here and there where I even met you for the opening of your Kopri gym, where I was amazed with the size of it. And the biggest surprise came when I met you at your Breach Candy gym, and that was the state of the art. And I realized how step by step you have taken the brand of Nitro to new limits. In the last 4 years, our association has been very different, and we look forward to that association to continue over a long period of time. Your eye for detail and design is something I really admire. Like, even though the colors you use are so vibrant and so bright, they still stand out, and everyone who enters the gym has a wow feeling. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day. I thank Sonia ma'am to giving us the opportunity to send you this lovely greeting, and wish you all the best forever and ever. Thank you.
Hey Prabodh, what's up? Wish you a very happy birthday. I'm sure you're locked down like all of us, but have a couple of drinks, have a great time, and look forward to seeing you once this opens up, and we'll hit a couple of dumbbells together at Nitro. Can't wait for that.
Hi Prabodh, happy birthday brother. Have a great day. Missing you. Hope we meet soon. Aishwarya, I hope you're shooting only half. Please.
ओ जी, this is for you. आपका जन्मदिन है काश, क्योंकि आप हो मेरे दिल के पास, और आज पूरी हो आपकी हर आस। प्रभु जी, विशिंग यू अ very happy lockdown वाला happy birthday. I still recall our first ever project, Nitro Gym, Pune, that was just like a golden key which unlocked many levels for me. I am very happy and lucky to be associated with you and with your luxurious fitness brand, Nitro Bespoke. You are an amazing and visionary person whom I ever met, filled with full of positive vibes, energy, and very passionate towards work. My best wishes to you and Nitro family. May you have immense success in all your future ventures, fully loaded with prosperity and blessings. Lastly, I would like to conclude by saying, life का हर गोल रहे आपका क्लियर, तुम सक्सेस पाओ without any fear, हर पल जियो without any tear. Enjoy your day, my dear. वाढदिवसाची हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. Enjoy and have a great day. Thank you.
Hi Prabodh, wish you a very happy birthday. You are one person that probably I'm so proud of calling you a friend, because the passion that you have for this sport, for your members in terms of bringing the best in equipments, bringing the best in the atmosphere, bringing the best hygiene possible. You know, that's second to none. I've not seen this attribute in many people, and I've definitely not seen this attribute in any of the gym owners. So that probably makes me feel extremely proud of calling you a friend. Wish you have a great year ahead, and wishing for nothing but the very best in life, and have a happy, healthy year ahead.
Hi Prabodh, wish you a very very happy birthday, and may the coming years bring you more health and prosperity. Once again, wish you many happy returns of the day.
नमस्कार. प्रबोधजींच्या 43व्या वाढदिवसाच्या निमित्ताने मी त्यांना मनापासून शुभेच्छा देतो. एक अत्यंत तरुण उत्साही कार्यकर्ता या नात्याने मी त्यांच्याकडे पाहायला मिळालेले आहे. विशेषतः डावकारे साहेबांचा एक चिरंजीव असल्यानंतर देखील एका क्षेत्रामध्ये निरंजननी चांगली एक भरारी घेत असताना प्रबोधने एका वेगळ्या क्षेत्रामध्ये आपला ठसा उठवलेला. मला आठवतं की ज्यावेळी नायट्रो बिशॉप फिटनेसचा ओपनिंग झाला होता, मी त्या काळचे मुख्यमंत्री आणि आदरणीय वसंत डावकरेजी देखील आम्ही सर्वजण उपस्थित होतो. एक अत्यंत उत्तम दक्षिण मुंबईसारख्या आणि निवळ नाही, मुंबईसारख्यामध्ये नाही तर भारतामध्ये एक उत्कृष्ट असा फिटनेस सेंटर त्यांनी उघडण्याचं काम केलेलं आहे. आणि त्यातूनच त्यांची या क्षेत्रामध्ये नेमकी मानसिकता काय आणि कशा प्रकारे लोकांना प्रोत्साहन करता येईल हे ते बघण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात. आजही फिटनेस क्षेत्र कोरोना व्हायरसच्या अडचणीमध्ये असताना देखील कसं सुरू होईल यासाठी सातत्याने ते धडपडत असताना किंवा त्या बाबतीतला आवाज उठवत असताना मी त्यांना पाहिलेलं आहे. प्रबोधसारखा कार्यकर्ता समाजामध्ये त्याचा एक अत्यंत गतिमान काम करण्याची एक जी इच्छाशक्ती आहे ती अशीच पुढच्या काळामध्ये राहावं अशी मी या निमित्ताने अपेक्षा व्यक्त करतो. आणि ज्या ज्या क्षेत्रामध्ये ते काम करतील त्यामध्ये निश्चितपणे त्यांना भरारी मिळो. प्रबोध, तुम्हाला वाढदिवसाच्या माझ्यापासून, माझ्या कुटुंबापासून मनापासून शुभेच्छा. धन्यवाद.
हाय प्रभु जी, डियर, मेरी तरफ से यानी कि श्रवण की तरफ से, नदीम श्रवण और बॉबी आनंद जी की तरफ से आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू डियर प्रभु जी. बस ईश्वर से यही कामना करता हूँ कि आप हमेशा यूं ही हंसते और मुस्कुराते रहें और आपके सभी चाहने वालों को आप एक अच्छी और हेल्दी लाइफ जीने के लिए प्रोत्साहित करते रहें. एक बार फिर से आज आपका जन्मदिन है और मेरी तरफ से और बॉबी आनंद जी की तरफ से आपको ढेर सारी जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं. थैंक यू.
Hello Prabodh, happy birthday to you. May God give you good health, wealth and peace. Wishing you once again the best.
Happy birthday Prabodh. I know it's a different birthday, but I'm sure you'll make most of it. We shall party once this all gets over. Cheers.
Happy birthday Prabodh. Enjoy your birthday during lockdown. I'm looking forward for lockdown to get over so that we can start working again. Cheers and enjoy. Have fun.
Hi Prabodh. Wish you many happy returns of the day, brother. We've been friends for so many years and have known each other for so many years, brother. It gives me so much of joy to think of this day on your birthday. You have always been a very passionate guy, passionate about fitness, passionate about fine food, passionate about helping people. When I say helping people, we've seen you've been going out every day in these COVID times and helping out thousands of people with food and necessities. This just shows how good heart you are, what a good heart you are. So my best wishes for you on your birthday, and keep spreading this happiness, and we are always there for you, buddy. Love you, buddy. Take good care, and wish you a very happy birthday. Take care. Bye-bye.
प्रबोध सर, तुम्हाला वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा माझ्याकडून आणि संपूर्ण रिकॉर्ड आणि TRC फॅमिलीकडून. आय डिस्टिंक्टली रिमेंबर It was one of the most memorable day. It was one of the most auspicious day. I'm sure it was the happiest moment in your life when your daughter was born. And I remember it was the same day when I met you for the first time. And journey since then with you, with the entire Nitro family has been phenomenal. मी तुमच्या सगळ्यांची पॅशन, कमिटमेंट, एनर्जी लेवल बघितली आहे अँड आय एम सो प्राऊड द वे यू हॅव लेड दिस ब्रँड अँड यू हॅव मेड दिस ब्रँड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल, मोस्ट प्रॉमिनंट, मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस अँड मोस्ट लक्झरियस ब्रँड इन द कंट्री. I always had that special connect with Nitro family, being from same city, being from similar cultural backgrounds, and you always treated me like your younger brother. And I'm sure I have lived up to those expectations of yours. पुन्हा एकदा तुम्हाला, तुमच्या संपूर्ण कुटुंबाला आणि एंटायर नायट्रो फॅमिलीला ऑल द व्हेरी बेस्ट. आय विश यू ऑल द सक्सेस इन फ्युचर. आणि पुन्हा एकदा वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. बाय द वे, बिफोर आय फिनिश, नेक्स्ट टाइम when we meet, we'll have the cake cutting ceremony once again. Till then, cheers.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, brother. 2 lines in a relationship which has extended over 2 decades and 3 generations is a tough task, but yes, as someone who has always walked the talk, as someone who has inspired, as someone who has made sure that he stands by those who he calls his own. A lot more to say, but yes, at the end of it, I will always say that may you live so long that a mankind continues to benefit from your endeavors. Once again, wish you a great birthday.
हाय प्रबोध सर, मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. वाढदिवशी हार्दिक शुभेच्छा प्रबोध सर तुम्हाला. नमस्कार.
Hi Prabodh, wish you a happy birthday bro. May God fulfill all your wishes and all your dreams come true. Enjoy your quarantine birthday bro.
Hi Prabodh sir, wishing you a very happy birthday. It's so unfortunate that we couldn't catch up in Mumbai for your birthday, but I hope you have such a wonderful day. So the first time I met you, I don't know if you remember, was in a pre-con event, and I was extremely impressed with your vision for the fitness industry. You have such a strong personality, and I really admire you for that, and you've really built such a strong brand. I know that Sonia ma'am is also very involved in this, but both of you have really revolutionized luxury fitness industry, and I hope you guys continue to do the same. Wishing you a happy birthday again. Have a wonderful day, sir.
Hello to all the lovely people. My name is Simran Ahuja, and I'd like to convey my best wishes to my dear friend on his very, very special day, birthday. Prabodh Davkare, many happy returns of the day. May all your wishes be fulfilled. And I know for a fact that you have different dreams and your visions are completely spectacular and magnificent. जो सपने आप देखते हैं, मैं तो वो सोच भी नहीं सकती हूँ, और आपने तो अपने सपने हकीकत में बदले हैं. So I'm in love with every endeavor of yours, and I always call you a young legend. I'm really proud of you, and I really wish you all the very best and success in your future endeavors. Happy birthday to you, Prabodh, and lots of love to you from me. Take care. God bless.
Hi Prabodh, wish you many happy returns of the day. I hope you are enjoying your day with your loved ones. Just wanted to tell you that for a couple of weeks I am seeing you on Facebook by doing various social activities which I feel really proud about you. Keep this good work going and take care of yourself and your family. Stay blessed and happy birthday bro.
हाय प्रबोध, मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. असा क्वारंटाईन बर्थडे तू आपल्याला कधी वाटलं नसेल नाही की आपण असा क्वारंटाईन बर्थडे वगैरे आपल्याला साजरा करायला लागेल. इट्स समथिंग अ व्हेरी युनिक थिंग. सो क्वारंटाईनमधनं लवकरच बाहेर पडूया, आणि तुझं जे प्रोजेक्ट, सगळे जिम्स थांबलेले आहेत आणि त्याचा जे तुला त्रास होतो आहे तो मला FBवर तू जे काही लिहितोस त्याच्यातनं तो व्यक्त होत असतो. खूप छान व्यक्त होतोस तू. इनफॅक्ट आय हॅव ऑब्झर्व की तू फार बोलत नाहीस, पण तुझा आय थिंक यू एक्सप्रेस युअर सेल्फ व्हेरी वेल थ्रू युअर रायटिंग. सो आय थिंक यू शुड स्टार्ट रायटिंग. अँड आणि काय म्हणू, पूर्ण डावखरे कुटुंबीय माझ्यासाठी खूप स्पेशल आहे, आणि डावखरे साहेबांचे, तुमच्या आईचे आशीर्वाद, तुम्हा सगळ्यांच्या बरोबर सतत आहेतच. तर ईश्वरचरणी हीच प्रार्थना आहे की येणारं वर्ष तुला सुखाचं, समाधानाचं, समृद्धीचं, आनंदाचं जावं. आणि सोनिया, थँक्यू. ही खूप छान कॉन्सेप्ट आहे तुझी. प्रबोधला आम्हाला या व्हिडिओद्वारे विश करता येतं या क्वारंटाइन लॉकडाउन पीरियडमध्ये. सो पार्टी होगी तब मिलेंगे ही. तब तक एन्जॉय योर क्वारंटाइन बर्थडे प्रबोध. बाय. लव टू ऑल द किड्स. बाय.
Hi, I wish very happy birthday to Sri Prabodh Vasant. I wish all your dreams come true and you may rock many years to come. Be healthy, be happy, enjoy, be safe. Best wishes from Gurung Bhai Shivka.
Hi Pramod, wish you happy birthday. I keep seeing your videos on Facebook and all. You're doing a fantastic job, brother, by helping people. God bless you with lots of love and happiness in life always. Keep doing good work. Thank you and take care. God bless you.